peripheral retina. Now, there are some vascular diseases, okay, especially yun sa mga periphery ng blood vessels natin, often initially affected pala ng mga rupture, changes, leakage, hemorrhages. Doon usually nag-originate yan on the peripheral retina. So that's why it's very important na nakikita nyo at some point yung peripheral retina. Of course, aside from looking at the macula and to your optic disc, which are part of your posterior pole. So again, importante na nakikita si peripheral retina kasi again, it may tell you yung mga early signs ng mga blood vessels leakage or vascular leakages. They usually starts to develop or manifest in the peripheral retina. Okay? So much for the fundus. Again, balikan ko lang yung fundus. When you hear the word fundus or fundus photo, so pag binigyan kayo ng picture and then you were asked to describe the fundus, o i-divide nyo agad ito into two important structure, the peripheral retina and the posterior pole. Under the posterior pole, you have the optic disc and the macula. So describe mo lang yung each. For example, under the posterior pole, there are presence of optic crescent, myopic crescent in the optic disc area. O yun, parang these are just example. Next, pwede mo sabihin, there are presence of leakages or hemorrhages. Saan po located? On the superior peripheral area of the retina or upper peripheral retina, upper periphery of the retina. Ayan, so pwede mong ma-describe ng ganon. Okay? So that's one way to easily describe kung anong meron or anong nakikita sa fundus. Okay, one more thing. Huwag natin kalimutan, since we'll be discussing vascular diseases, so retinal vascular diseases, so ang focus talaga ng pag-uusapan natin is yung blood vessels that are present in the retina. So makikita mo dito, you have the arteries and the veins. This is the veins and this is the artery. This is the vein and this is the artery. So yan yung tinitingnan natin. What are we looking for that? Changes in the blood vessels in your retina. Because again, diyan una magmamanifest yung mga some signs or abnormalities that may be present. Okay, before we proceed directly to the retinal vascular diseases, let us go back first to the 10 layers of your retina. So balikan muna natin ano ba yung structures or components of your retina. So we all know the 10 layers, di ba? Correct? Pero actually class, in summary, para mas mabilis natin siyang maintindihan o para mas hindi malito kung paano ba natin matatandaan yung 10 layers ng retina. So mas maganda na balikan natin na yung the entire retina is actually a summary of a three-cell body. 'Di ba? Tatlong cell ang pinag-uusapan diyan, actually, 'di ba? So ano yung mga cell na yan? These are the cell neurotransmitters. Okay? So sila yung mga cell sa mata, sa retina, na magta-transmit ng signal coming from a light impulses, okay, going saan? Papunta sa brain. Remember, any transmission or functions of the brain or signal transmission through the brain is always in the form of synapses, di ba? Yung neurons, these are actually the cells of the brain. Okay, so nerve. So yan ay these are all containing neuron cell. So the neuron cell basically has the nucleus, meron din itong axon, meron din itong dendrite. Likewise, pagdating sa retina, ganon din po yung composition ng some of the three-cell body na meron. Okay, so ulitin ko, 10 layers of the retina, we are just simply talking about the three-cell body. Ano yung three-cell body na yun? Sila yung three-cell body that is responsible for the transmission of light, okay, signal going to electrical impulses papunta sa brain. Okay po? So balikan natin what are the 10 layers of your retina. So looking at the photo, so mula ito sa RPE, pababa ito. Okay, to the going, your free meeting will end in 10 minutes. Bakit? Oh my God, hindi pala ako nakaano. Wait lang. Oh, wait. Plus, wait lang, transfer tayo ng ano. Mali ako ng Zoom na nagawa. Yung sa school Zoom ng CEO. Wait lang ha, kasi magmamamatay na pala tong Zoom ko. Ba yan? I'll send another link. Mali ako nang nagbigay na link. Link ko to personal. So I have to use the college Zoom link. Okay, wait lang. Sorry, sorry. I'll stop sharing. I-send ko ulit ha. Lipat lang tayo, mabilis lang. Kasi mamamatay na daw siya. Okay, wait.